A SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket will send off NASA's hotly anticipated mission to Europa, Jupiter's frigid moon that might have the circumstances to help life. The organization has been wanting to send a test to the Jovian moon for a really long time and finished its arrangements in 2019. In its declaration, NASA said the Europa Clipper shuttle is planned to send off in October 2024 on top of a Falcon Heavy rocket from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A. It has likewise uncovered that the agreement will cost the organization roughly $178 million, a deal contrasted with what it would have cost to send off the mission on top of NASA's Space Launch System rocket. As Ars Technica notes, Congress initially encouraged NASA to utilize the SLS to send off the Europa Clipper. At that point, however, the White House assessed a solitary SLS send-off to cost an incredible $2 billion. Nowhere near great, particularly since the SLS would require gravity help from Venus and travel farther to have the option to arrive at its objective, though the Falcon Heavy wouldn't. Likewise, NASA let Ars know that the SLS would require $1 billion worth of extra alterations to have the option to finish the mission. In the event that Europa Clipper dispatches in October 2024 as expected, it will arrive at Jupiter's circle in April 2030. The test will then examine whether the frosty moon genuinely has conditions appropriate forever. It'll catch high-goal pictures of Europa's surface, decide its creation, search for indications of late or continuous geographical action, measure the thickness of the moon's cold shell, look for subsurface lakes, and decide the profundity and saltiness of Europa's sea.